You can see we're on the corner here at Bordeaux Ranch, and you can see how much this fire, how close it has come to a lot of these houses. Right back here you can still see the grass smoldering, and look at this structure, metal structure over there that got so hot. Actually, look, it looks like it started to melt. You can kind of see it back here in the corner right there. All the aluminum is all melted looking, and the grass here, look how close this came to this house. House just back here behind the trees here. All the grass is burned. Now some of this, they did burn some of this on purpose so that it wouldn't get to some of these houses. But all these houses were evacuated, and so far, so good. Helicopters, still see flying right over my head here, are still going in to put out some hot spots. So this is Brad with MaxproductionTV here at the Mima Mounds fire. You can see in Bordeaux Ranch, in this housing development, some areas that were just hit and some were missed. But of course the biggest concern is life and property. So that was the big concern. And the other one, as you can see, the hills right there behind, it's kind of smoky. That's Capitol Forest, 60-some thousand acres of timberlands, and if that was to catch fire, it would cause some real problems in 4 counties. It's I believe Thurston, Lewis, Pacific, and in Mason counties, I believe, if that's the right 4. But yeah, they're even replacing some telephone poles because the power was burned. Poles were burned down, transformers blew. A lot of these people out here are still without power. So you can see that truck driving by right now. But look how close this charred ground came to this house. And like I said, some of this was actually, they burned on purpose. And you can see that in the driveway here too. But, wanted to show you this metal building over here. Hopefully they don't mind. I won't go onto their property. I'll just stay here kind of in the easement. As you can see, this building over here had metal siding on it. All this aluminum or steel siding. And fire, you can see the grass is burned right up to the building there. And that building got so hot, you can see on the outside that a lot of that metal is all distorted and the paint burned off. So you can see how hot that got here. As the helicopters continue to fly over us and put out hot spots, you can see some of the water leaking a little bit from the tank there on that helicopter. And unfortunately, it's supposed to get 90 degrees and you can hear the wind blowing really hard. Along with really low humidity levels. See these firefighters here dropping off some coffee and stuff here for other workers that are. Thank you. Appreciate all you guys do. Just bringing bottled water in. And you can see the coffee and stuff here at Bordeaux Ranch at the entrance for firefighters and other people to get some kind of relief during this horrible situation. I was just told by some firefighters that at last count it was 290 acres. Started with a little 10-acre brush burn, and now it's up to 290, but it is pretty well under control now. They're just worrying about any other hot spots that might start to develop. Still see the grass smoldering. Definitely a strong smell of smoke in the area. This will probably be going on for quite a while, and as the winds pick up, they worry about more stuff happening. That's okay. So their house is right here behind them, and just was missed, and these firefighters did an amazing job. They're trying to collect a little bit of this fence wire here just to put something around there, keep their dogs safe. And they're still trying to put out some of the hot spots. So we're gonna film some of these helicopter coming in, dropping some water. Just something to see, guys. These firefighters, like these people here, were saying, you know, they're so thankful that they did everything they could to stop the fire from going into these houses. And so far, haven't heard of too many serious problems with people or animals getting hurt. But don't quote me on that, because I'm not sure yet. I'm still trying to gather as much information as I can. And a big shout out to the helicopter pilots. Dump all the water they can and go back to that lake. I get another round of water. You can see them working on a fire line right over there by those barns. Trying to make sure the barns don't catch fire. And just for information, if you do have a horse or some livestock, I encourage you to, people that are picking them up, there's a place to put them at the Thurston County Fairgrounds where they'll be safe. So we don't want to get in these guys' way, so we'll stay back. You know, you're from Olympia, if I think it's called.
Okay.
And a couple other ones, and I think the news is going to pick up some of it too. So
yeah, I have a friend in Ireland that might want to see this. We were just talking about this.
Absolutely. All right, you guys too. You can see I'm on Bordeaux Road right now, heading towards Capitol Forest, and you can see this is pretty much the fire line right here. So from here, looks like over to a little ways past 146th, and they're saying it's about 295 acres right now, and it looks like it's pretty much 100% contained. They're just really watching the hot spots right now. If you would like to donate to the firefighters and workers trying to battle this blaze in Mima Mounds, you could donate your water, Gatorade, things like that, or packaged food, as long as it's sealed from the store, to the West Thurston County Little Rock Station. It's 10828 on Little Rock Road, or you can donate to the Little Rock Elementary School. Thank you.